here is my potato medley with some items I had in the house. Watch out. Okay, so here is my frozen grilled chicken. Okay, so here I have my freshly peeled Irish potatoes, and in this bowl I have chopped green beans, carrots, and onions. I love onions, please do not blame me. So I encourage you to have your onions whether chopped or blended. It's very essential for this meal I'm making and for other meals as well. Then I have my peeled garlic here, which will be chopped later, and I have fresh curry leaves here. Then I have knorr cube. It is optional, you can decide not to put it. And here is my freshly chopped pepper. So in this pan with the vegetables, I added chicken stock that I had earlier, which I boiled the potato with. So I'm adding the chicken stock to simmer for like 30 seconds with the chicken for it to have a blend and a taste all together. So the essence here is to have this as a soup. Okay, so after like 30 seconds I added my fresh pepper, which will give it that aroma and that flavor that this season really needs. So after for like the time, I added the boiled Irish potato, even though it thickened, after some time, but the aim is to have it as soup, so you can add water if you want. After like stirring it for like 20 more seconds, I added my dry curry leaves to complete that aroma. This is yummy. This is a bowl of goodness. It takes just 2 minutes to make, so what you need to do is to prep your items down and you can easily achieve this even better. Thank you so much for enjoying this with me.